how to get Roblox on Nintendo Switch so you can play Roblox. As you might already know, you can't download Roblox off the Nintendo shop, but from a simple workaround, you can play Roblox on Nintendo Switch. So here's how to do it. So starting off, you just want to be on the Nintendo homepage. And first, what you want to do right now is to go to the system settings. So right now we are on system settings, and what you want to do first right now is to go down to the bottom right here to the system, and you want to make sure you have the latest system update. So obviously right here it says your system is up to date. So make sure it's the latest system update, as Roblox only runs on the latest update. And now from here, what you want to do right now is to go to data management. This is it right here. And now you want to make sure you have enough storage to download Roblox. Now Roblox is quite small, so you don't need much storage. If you don't have enough storage and you try to download Roblox, it will come up with an error like this. So it's important to check. And then from here, what you want to do is to go up on the system settings to the internet part, and then go onto internet settings right here. And then it should say it's searching for networks, and then you want to press on the internet that you are currently using. So for me, it's this one. And then once you go ahead and press it, what you want to do right now is you will see a lot of writing right here, like your DNS, proxy, whatever. But you want to go onto DNS settings right here and then put it onto manual. Now, once you put it on manual, it will come up with this right here. It will be a bunch of zeros like this one right here. This one not for me, but obviously for you, I'm assuming it will be like 000. Now, we will be changing the primary DNS. Also, for future reference, if you wanted to stop playing Roblox, you would just change it back onto automatic. But to play Roblox, you want to put it on manual. And then on the primary DNS, you want to go ahead and go onto it, and then you want to enter in this number that I put in right here. So starting off 046 and then 101 right here. Let's just go ahead and put that in. And then 065 and then 164 right here. So from here, go ahead and then press save right here, and then it should say settings have saved, and then it should bring you back to this menu right here, and you want to go ahead and then press connect to this network. And obviously it should say connect in the middle bit. And then the last bit, it should say like an error or something like that. While we're waiting, if you want some Robux, as I want to give some out, just leave a like and sub and drop your Roblox username. Okay, so here it is right here. It did take about like maybe 20 seconds to do that. So go ahead right here. It says registration is required to use this network. So go ahead and then press next right here. And then it should look a bit like this. I go a bit closer, there is a lot of writing. And it tells you how much people are online, which they are probably doing this to play Roblox. So from here, what you want to do now is to simply follow what I do. As a lot of these options, you can actually go into Roblox, but you can't play any games. So what you want to do from here is to simply go onto this one right here, CSE Google. If not, you can just go into normal Google. As I do know, it can be different. It might look different to some other people, like the way like it's all set up. And then it should look a bit like this, right? It's probably blank, but there might be something on there. But for me right now, it is literally just blank. So obviously from here, we want to go onto the search bar and then type in right here, Roblox right here. So go ahead and then type in Roblox. And then from here, Roblox should actually load up. We just want to go onto the first one right here, which is Roblox. So let's just go ahead and go onto Roblox. So go ahead to the login page right here. So once you log into your account, you now have Roblox on the Nintendo Switch.